According to reports and data, the global caprolactam market size was $14.12 billion in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 3.43% over the forecast period. Caprolactam market revenue growth is primarily driven by factors such as rising demand for nylon fabrics in the textile industry for producing lightweight garments, increasing adoption of polyamides in the automotive industry for manufacturing chemical-resistant and durable automobile parts, and increasing use of nylon 6-based products in the electrical and electronics industry as cable glands, sockets, computer peripherals, and circuit breakers. In addition, the rising use of caprolactam in household products such as synthetic leather and brush bristles is another factor driving revenue growth of the caprolactam market between 2022 and 2030. Caprolactam is a colorless, solid, and cyclic amide derivative of caproic acid, which is mainly used for producing nylon 6 filaments, fibers, and plastics. Thank you.